All right. Wait, there we go. Got it. Sick. Oh my god. Now, why the fuck am I doing an Asian session? I have no earthly idea, but sure, we're gonna go with it. Mostly because I'm bored. I was like, I could either slouch in my bed, do nothing, or come on here, stream, maybe play some games with someone else later. Who knows? We'll see what happens. This is just kind of open. All right, we'll see if they respond. All right, let me look at my price right here. I need to figure out what's going on. What's going on? Looks like we were I actually don't have a clear idea. I do know we're in a bearish move still. Technically, we haven't reversed the higher time frame until we break down there. I do think we are coming up for this price up here. Personally, I shouldn't be on there. I should be on the 2000 ticks. But that doesn't really matter. We're in a bullish trend right now. If we're looking at price, following price trends, right? The highs and the lows that we see. We have a high and we have a low right here. So I'm going to go to mark that out. Okay. Then we have a new one right here. We got a new one up here. The market kicked my, in the polite terms, today. Kicked it. Destroyed it. Not even that. Destroyed it. First of all, I thought normal position sizing, didn't know how volatile the market was. That was my fault. Now, a $100 risk turned to a $400 risk. And then my stop loss didn't register because it got caught out by a spike, which was too quick for my computer to process. My computer was lagging, so another 400 gone. And then it's just, oh. But this account's fine. Luckily, this account's doing fine. Okay, so we have the previous highs and lows right here. Okay, and I want to scroll out. I want to figure out where we could possibly go. Hi, how's it going, Lisette? Please correct me if I say anyone's names wrong. That's my bad. How's it going, though? I don't know why I'm trading Asian session. This thing has no liquidity. I think you might be. I mean, not a lot of people watch trading channels during Asian one, but I mean, generally I only get like 3 to 4 viewers anyway. But I appreciate you being in here. Hey, how's it going, Aguzman? Oh, wait, hey, Aguzman. I have seen you in here before. It is Lisette? Okay, I got it right. Sick. I might end up playing games later if there's not any setups that form on the market. Today was a rough day for me. My strategy failed almost every trade. That's good. That's really good. Yeah, I don't know why. Usually I don't even stream at this time. I mean, usually this is my me time, but I got bored. I got bored. I didn't want to just sit in my bed and mope around, do nothing. So all right, let me go to here, see what's going on here. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Let me make it so everyone can see. Have you traded before? Is this even something you're interested in? A lot of times the algorithm will give me people, for some reason, I don't know why this is true. I have a few people that actually are interested in trading. And then, yeah, no problem, dude. No problem. Girl or dude. Sorry, I don't know which side it is, but no problem. Thank you. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful day too. I don't know. Sometimes they get like Overwatch. I've had a few Overwatch like Apex Legends people like that say they came in to find a game and then they saw a trading stream. So it's funny. I'm gonna take a risk here. Let's see how this reacts. Oh my gosh. But Guzman, if you're still in here, I do recognize you. I think I've seen your name one more time. Oh, appreciate it. Thank you. That's awesome, though. I do appreciate you coming in and watch. Do you, at the very least, okay? The very least, do you like the background of the stream? Even if you're not interested in it, did I do a good job on this background? Because I actually do really like it. It changed recently from something a lot worse. I had someone recommend changing it to a darker theme. I don't know if anyone else is like this. I go on these alternative routes where I just find a new hobby. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, these things, I got the Beats headphones. Now, these are like 3 years old. I got them at on eBay for $5, fixed them up, repaired them, and I think they were a year old at that point. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, thank you for joining in. Usually don't recommend this for younger kids because it is somewhat organized gambling. So, but thank you for joining in. Did I put 4? Is there any explosions? I wish. That would be awesome. I need to get a GIF or something that just has explosions. So and then link it, I can code it to where whenever it hits a trade or when I'm playing games, when I die, it just plays the explosion. Something like that. Oh my God. Thank you. I appreciate it. I do think it looks very nice. The bottom's my work. The top is someone else's, I think. I don't remember where I even found this, but I found it on, I think I stole it from art. A friend's art. The bottom is just a bunch of lines. And then the overall stats bar, the support thing, that's generated by AI because I didn't know how to code that. Same thing with the Asian session. I had no clue how to code any of that. Oh, okay. What do you usually play? Also, let me see if I can fix this. Give me 1 second. No problem. Yeah, go ahead. Have a good night. Have a great weekend. All right. Let's see what I can. Ugh. Let's see what I could do here. It's just not much. There's not much of really anything. The highest I could see this thing going is right here. I should see a reversal here. Yeah, no problem. Should see a reversal here. I don't know. I gotta follow the trend that's currently showing. Here, we're holding this. Came below. I can't really hold this trade. Let me see if she wants to join. Maybe I'll play some games instead. No, I can't get her on. Give me 1 second. I'm going to see if I can get someone on so I could play some... Oh. Let's see what happens here. I don't usually like double taps. All right. Showing some weakness here. Potentially coming down to grab that liquidity right here. And then hopefully it's going to move up. I want to see it maybe come up to this level up here. I think this is the next most likely outcome of a take profit level. Is maybe not even there. I don't actually know where this could potentially come to. I have no clue. I mean, the next place maybe is up here, is what my target would be, especially if it grabs that liquidity right here. It could potentially come down at this point. This is the change of structure. We technically did create a new high as well. Gotta be aware of that. All right. Let's see how this reacts. Oh my God. There we go. Sick. Maybe someone will get on so I could have some fun on something else. All right. It does look really... I do think my stream genuinely looks good now. That's a positive. It's a lot better than it was. Maybe a setup here? Might get a long setup here? Oh, no. No setup. Boo. Came down, previous high, previous low. Yeah, I don't necessarily like where we're at with price. We should come down lower from where we are right here. Clear area. Following price action. Clear area of a rejection is up here. So you could technically take a trade to the downside. You go to 2,000. Okay, we have another take profit area down here. It's going to come down here. I hope it doesn't come down here. But we have reversed directions, so we did create a lower low right now. I would like to see a retest. I may be interested in taking a short on this retest at this minor gap right here. May be interested. See if it gives me a setup. Close, close, close. Dang it. I'm still bearish, so I still think we're coming down. I just need to know from where. And I need to risk $100 here. I've been over-risking recently, which is not good. Okay, let me see if I can fit everything. I don't think I can, really. Weakness. What would it be if I was to put my stop here? 33 pips. That's 6 contracts.
Order filled. Order filled.
129. Risking a little bit too much. I do think this is coming up. See how this reacts here. That's not good. Not bueno. No bueno. But we'll see. Let's see how this reacts. Bullish candle. I do expect this to come down. I just don't know how high this thing can go. before it comes down. You do got an order block right here. Potentially another grab's coming here. I don't know. Hopefully this will continue down. I have a take profit level down here, but it's a 1-to-1 right now, which I don't like. That's the fact. I would like to see this aggressively come down, which is the worrying spot right here. I don't think this is coming down. I think this is a bigger retest, sadly. This is not a great trade, is it? I may potentially be forcing a trade. No, it's just a small chance I'm doing that. I think I am. I want to say $100. But I don't like this.
Order filled.
I don't like it. It's so bearish, I know, but I can't continue when we're in this strong of a bullish trend. I can't take the risk of it coming down, filling this gap. It's just such a strong trend. Can't do it. Oh my god. Holy sh! Blocking out that language. Hopefully I do get some sort of move here. Bearish move, bullish move, it doesn't matter. We'll see how this reacts here. If this is a rejection, then most likely it's going to come down for this gap, and I may re-enter. But right now, I can't really convince myself to take a... Oh, there is your room at the top too. I think there is. Oh man. This is like one of those scenarios where you should really just stay out of the market. I should really just stay out of the market. See how this reacts. If this fails, I'm going to take an entry. This is part of a separate model, but it still will probably work. We'll see if this gives a failure candle after grabbing that liquidity. Yeah. I want to see how this reacts. Test and retest and failure. Comes up.
Order filled.
See how this reacts here. There's a gap up here, so I'm going to be very careful. Target all the way down here. Whole gap right here. There's most likely is going to come up and take that liquidity out, so I am going to move this to break even just in case that it wants to do an instant rejection, which I hope it does not. We are going to add 5 if this closes red. 5 more contracts. Kind of trail this down. $187. I don't want 187. 187 is not worth it. If it wants to retest back up and take me out, I'll take 120 for it, because that means it is going to come up and grab further. But 187 is not worth it for the amount I was risking. Okay. This did create a lower low. Don't like that instant rejection at all. There you go. Trail this down. Be very careful here.
Order filled.
All right. There you go. That was a good trade. Whew. risky trade, but this is what gave me the confirmation for the second entry. Now, I could have stuck with the original one. I didn't know how far this was going to go. That's my usual issue, is I'm not good at trailing my take profit nor my stop. Giving a flexible stop. Usually I give a hard stop. I did over risk there, but I had pretty much a strong idea that it was going to go up here. And I'm really trying to pass this account quick, to be honest. The one up here. I might start risking 200 at this point to get as much profit as I can for the day. That way, and then if I get back to plus $100, I could take 2 trades for 200. And if I get back to plus $100, then I'll call it until tomorrow. The main reason is I want to get above, as far as I can, above that 52,000, because the trailing limit is 2,000 and it stops at 50,000. So if you get it above 52,000 as far as you can before the end of the day, then you have a higher chance of you know, you can basically, I can go for a 0.5 risk to reward and pass the account. And that's probably a better idea, is getting a really good setup and going for a 0.5 risk to reward just to pass the account instantly around 2,600. Just if we have another day like today, then I'm in a very bad situation. This line indicated right here, indicated where I most likely think price would come to first. I still believe price could come down to here, but this is the main 100% area. If price breaks this low, retest and fails, that's the area. I just didn't know how far this was going to retest back up, and that's my issue. But if we look at the lower time frame, you know, we saw this minor structure here. We got a liquidity grab of the minor structure. That's not enough confirmation for me. I want to see this this area be broken. We found a gap. We filled the gap. And then the continuation is what I was looking for. So I entered at the liquidity grab of this gap, as you saw. And then my stop loss was up here, trailing it down once it gave me confirmation for this trade. Not part of any of my main strategy, but I did like it. You could take continuation trades down as long as you play the top at discounted areas here. You could technically follow it, especially since we have these minor highs and lows right here. But yeah, if anyone has any questions, this is not how I normally trade. I have to trade Asian way different. Asian session sucks. Oh man, it's liquidity. So is London sessions my worst somehow. I don't know why. I don't know why I get so pounded on London session. Let's see how this reacts. Sorry if I'm talking right in my mic. I'm trying to get more entertainment. I'm trying to get someone in here. I'm trying to get someone in here so I can just play some games. This is a impromptu stream. I did not plan for any of this to happen. This is purely out of boredom right now. Okay, where do I think this can go after? I don't really think we're going to get a retest after this gap. I was bearish anyway. I'm actually not even bearish. This is just kind of my 100% levels where I think price would hit. I'm actually, I believe at this point that price is going to break this. We do have another level down here. We just tapped that second level I was looking at. We have another level right here. I don't really see levels that we can come up top here, other than these two. So if we're weighing the price action right here, it's 3-2 with a bearish move currently. I believe price is going to come down, looking for my setup to form. And then I'll take that trade. Falling price action. That's a clean order block right here. Ooh, I might take it. Is it going to grab liquidity like it always does, though? This is a strong boost upwards. I would like to see more confirmation and maybe another candle failure before I take a trade. This one's only going to be $100 risk because I don't want to really, you know, things showing a lot of strength. So I want to see how this reacts. Okay.
Order
let's go ahead and
filled.
take it. 62. I might actually just take the 62 risk and target down here for 150, maybe a little bit farther. I always want at least 200, and usually my risk is 100. That's my planned risk. Let's see how it reacts at this order block. I don't want to see a strong reaction here. You really want to see this candle close weak, and you want to see this gap hold right here. You don't want to see any multiple, especially with the strength, you don't want to see multiple retest form. Once we break this low, I have to keep a close eye as well, because it can create a gap, which leads to an imbalance, which you don't want to see reverse onto. You want to see a straight breakthrough. Ooh, don't like that. You could tactically move your stop to break even here. There's not really much need. I mean, I'm risking $62, so I'm not really that chuffed about it. If it does decide it wants to break back up, that's just unfortunate. I got caught on the one move that decides it wants to reverse back upwards. We did grab liquidity as well, so I wouldn't be surprised. We barely grabbed this liquidity by 1 pip. I just hope that it wants to move down lower. That this is a fake out. Maybe grab liquidity one more time instead of reversing its trend direction here. Okay, we need to see a failure here. We don't want to see this gap close. I don't like that. Let's get out.
Order
let's
filled.
just get out for $5. I thoroughly believe this is going to come and grab this high right here. And I might be wrong, but hey, better to be safe than sorry here. It's just showed so much strength. It's going to grab the high where I had my stop at. Right there. Oh. Could give me another setup. If that's the case, that's okay, but I don't really like how this formed. This failed to break below this low on its initial bearish move. Maybe potentially fails again. Who knows? But I could see a wick being grabbed here and then coming down. Or I'm just completely wrong. Either way, preserve my wins, I guess. Trade doesn't count, right, if you don't record it. If I don't record that trade, it never happened, right? There's no results. Oh, what the fuck? There's no results that said it happened. All right, let's see what price decides it wants to do. It came directly to my line too. Oh, that's frustrating. It's going to come lower than that as well. This is just another safe line. I really don't like getting into the last gaps and structures. I like closing before. I could have moved this line right here, but this is like 100% exit as well. And then you can trail. You can trail if you want to. I find trailing makes it more difficult for me for risk to reward unless you're adding contracts. This is future, so you're adding contracts or you're adding positions on stocks. It's a little harder to trail successfully because let's say I am trailing these highs, especially on M&Q. I'm trailing these highs. Yes, in this trade it would work, but all of these times where it grabs this liquidity grab and maybe I'm trailing it close, you're going to get stopped out for less than a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So bum, bum. Do I do it? I should have done it. God, London session's boring. I mean, Asian session's boring. Someone join me. Oh man, someone please. My friends get on so I could have something to do. Oh. Oh, never mind. I thought that the World Cup. I am a fan. I thought the World Cup started today, so that sucks. Kind of hoping it would. Showing a lot of strength right here. We still have this previous high, previous low right here. Still in a bearish trend, so a trend that moves to the downside. Again, like I said, you could potentially have a further break here. If we're going to have this break here, I don't even know where price could potentially come to. I mean, yeah, the highest it could come up is there grabbing liquidity, but I don't buy that. Grab this liquidity, stayed within the structure, showing weakness. Strong candle, strong breakup candle around this area. Oh, hold up 1 second. This might actually be an entry. See how this reacts. Dude. Give me 1 second, guys. Trying to see something. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to figure out something. There we go. Now I figured it out. Crap, and I missed the trade. Dude, I don't know how I sound on the other end. I probably sound like a crazy person talking to myself, trying to entertain myself. And listen, like, this is not boring to me by any means. Now, this market is boring to me. This thing is moving like it's Granny's wheelchair day. But I probably sound like a crazy person rambling on. I typically do this by myself as well, especially, I don't know if anyone else does, okay? You correct me if I'm wrong. Does anyone else do this when they're in the shower or when they're in, you know, like when you're in a car? Do you just start talking to yourself, like trying to entertain yourself with your own voice, and then you get annoyed at your own voice, so you be quiet, you start listening to music, and you're like, well, now I'm bored of music, let's, you know, listen to my own voice again. And it's like this whole cycle of entertaining yourself in the worst way possible, and you sound like a crazy person. I don't know what I look like when I'm driving um in my car, especially when, you know, I've had friends beside me. You know, I'm either singing or the other thing where I'm just talking to myself, having a whole full-blown conversation with myself. Sometimes it's deep, you know, you have to have a deep conversation with yourself, get yourself right. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Holy oh man, and we did decide we wanted to break up as well on this price. That sucks. That's not what I wanted to see. And I got smooth jazz in the background that it sounds like, which I like jazz, so hey. Got my sleeping dog over here. Oh, you're not sleeping anymore. I don't know if you could see. Let me see. Nope. Wait. No. Okay, well, hold up. I'll move, I guess. No, now there's a chair in the way. Oh, move, chair. Here you go. Here's the dog. Nope, still can't see the dog. Maybe you can see the dog. There you go. You can see the dog. Everyone that likes pets, she's a menace. This is the one dog, and I promise you, yes, there's dogs that are trained to be mean. She's not mean to me. She does not like affection. She does not like love. I try to give her a hug or anything. She just, nope. Says no. Oh my god. Should I just play a different game? Oh, this is... I got enough profit. I could probably make what I need tomorrow. And then finish it off on Monday. This is just slow. Oh my god. And we're moving upwards. This needs to reject right now. If it rejects right now, then maybe I will. Let's do it.
Order filled.
And I'm just going to target down here. It's not a good risk to reward. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is a bad risk to reward. It's not even a 1-to-1. But hey. Okay, now there we go. Now I got a 1 to 1.5, it looks like. I might just exit this. This is just a bad entry. This is because of boredom. I need to probably exit this. Don't want to blow my account forcing something that's not there. Let's see how it reacts at this order block, this minor order block right here. If we're going to move down or we're going to move back up. It has room to move up, so that's why I'm worried. Yeah, this was just dumb. Let's go ahead and get out. Oh no. If it holds this, I might stay in for a second. Okay. Let's see how this reacts. I'm fine risking 50. What is this? 100? Let me just risk 100 and target 200, like my normal strategy says. It's just not a good risk. It's just not a good risk, is it? Not really. This is just a bad trade. I'll be honest. I take accountability for this. No matter if this wins a lot, loses, this is just a bad trade. But I'm going to stick it through because, you know, to punish myself.
Order filled.
Yeah. Bad trade. Out of boredom. Sucks. I update these stats later on. I do want to see what this decides it will do. Reject or not. Left some gaps. I assume that this could grab this high one more time. Move down. Oh my god. That was just a horrible trade. I don't know what I was thinking, why I was thinking that would work initially. And then I realized the risk rewards a 1-to-1. Should have probably exited when I had the chance, but you know, sometimes you got to take the punishment so you don't do it again. There you go. That's the grab I was looking for. Ooh, I don't like that setup. Did create a wait. It's a strong move, geez. Very strong move. Maybe we'll get an entry. Please don't close the gap. It did. I mean, please close the gap. This is my inverse fair value gap. This is my trade entry. With the expectation that price would come down lower here. If this holds right here and it shows me bullish sentiment, then I'll take a short position. I'll take a long position, expecting a further move. But I expect this to come down from here. A temporary, by the way, this is all temporary. So it means like if it closes below here, I think it's a temporary move to where it'll come down to here, or even come down a little bit lower, down to here, back into this area. We have room to come down more, but maybe it will just hold here and then continue up. I'm sorry, guys. I can't really do my quick scalping with how slow this thing moves today. This thing just moves so slow. While during New York session, this thing was a rocket that I could not win on to save my life. All right, let's see what this is doing here. Created a gap. We're moving down right here. This is a strong move down. Potential to move higher. I just don't like getting caught out by trades. Close the gap, confirmation, moving down. I can't do that. I can't take that trade. Let's just go to M&Q. Stay on M&Q today. This is moving too slow anyway. Is it holding? Is it going to break down? Oh! Oh my god. If anyone has any questions, and I'm always open to questions, if anyone has any questions what my actual strategy is and not whatever I did the last trade, please let me know. I'll try to answer. This thing looks like it could hold. I don't like where it's at, because yes, it could hold, but hold what? I'm just so bearish on this thing for some reason. Oh my god, is there any please tell me it's still in here. Let me go to Discord. I just realized I don't have it installed because my PC broke a couple of days ago. Now I gotta install Discord. Oh my god, should I take the risk? I have this bearish bias. We held the structure. Could break up. Could break down. No, it's just not a great position. This is an A+ setup. I don't know. I don't know how long I'm going to be live for, guys. It's not, you know, I got on Asia impulsively, had some good trades to get me up to here. By good, I mean one trade. And then 2 losses. And the one trade was double risk, so. Okay, well, we're just going to let this move, I guess. Yep, there it goes. What you gonna do? Just break up? Well. I mean, technically, this is the previous high and low. So, I mean, if this shows me a setup here, I'm inclined. I am inclined to take it. Oh, should I do it? Oh, I gotta. So sexy. It's such a sexy area. We're so bullish, though. Oh, we're so bullish. Grab liquidity. We're no... You okay, Luna? Okay. Sorry, my dog was acting crazy. What I always gotta wait for here, even on this setup, and the reason why this is a setup, this is technically our previous high and low right here. So this is a gap, breaker gap. We broke both sections. I gotta wait for a retest. Because this is such a bullish trend, I have to wait for a retest and confirmation. Although this would have won me the trade, but sucks. Sucks to suck. This would have been a winning trade right here. Actually, maybe it didn't hit the 2-2. Let me see. 1-2. No, it definitely hit the 1-2. Oh, no, it did not hit the 1 to 2 yet, actually. So, yes, this could have been a losing trade if I entered. I would have targeted a little bit farther than what it gave me. Oh, man. Does anyone, if anyone, again, anyone has any questions about anything that I'm doing, about if you're interested in this at all, I know a lot of people are here, get misplaced by the algorithm. So, if you're not interested, that's okay. But if anyone is interested in learning anything about this, let me know. I love giving explanations. I teach part-time as well. So anyone interested, let me know. It also fills the time of boredom. Okay, what you doing here? We grab this liquidity. We're going to fail right here. I would like to see a retest and failure here. I don't want to see a continuation. I don't think it will fail here. This is such a strong move upwards. Closure below the gap one last time. Okay.
Order filled.
Let's take the risk. Let's take it. Let's try. I did not mean to do 2 times the risk. I meant to do 1, so I should really exit down to 5 contracts. My math was completely off. Go ahead and get it down to 5. This is coming up to maybe... maybe it'll give me an impulsive move. Hey, why not? No, no, in all seriousness, no, I do need to get down to 5 contracts here. Okay, let me go ahead and...
Order filled.
There you go. Now I'm down to a comfortable risk level for this challenge trade. If you want to know... Whoa! I think my dog just sharded. And I might need to close the stream after this trade. I'm not even joking. Girl, really? After I give you the flea medicine pill? Oh, no. And I'm getting stopped out. Boo.
Order filled.
Both of those suck. Aw. Really? Okay. Looks like it's fine. I think it's okay. It's clear. I don't even know what to call this. I can't read this market at all. I don't trade Asian that frequently. I do trade all sessions, but I don't trade Asian that frequently, so this is very hard when it's low liquidity for me. Let's see. Failure, continuation up. Hitting an order block, pretty dead on. Bear structure. Gap right there on retested. Consolidation to some degree. We did take this high out, so there's a potential of coming up higher, so it's not a 100% trade. Oh, what is up? Whoa, my bitrate is dying, apparently. In 1 second, let me see if I can fix that. Video bitrate. Where's my stream bitrate? Oh, streaming bitrate, yeah. 7,000. Let me up this, I guess. Hopefully that fixes it. I didn't know that my bitrate was that bad. That probably explains a lot. All right, you guys, whoever's here, you guys ready to see huge risk? If this gives me the setup, I'm willing to do it. Hey, what's up? How's it going? I don't know why my stream is actively dying. I'll probably end this soon. I mean, I'm not getting any trades, guys. Luna, are you okay? Oh, you can see the dog. You okay, girl? Okay. How's it going, Lisette? I'm glad you're back, though. Oh, man. I'll probably end this soon. This is not... What? What's up? Just getting stared at by my dog. Let's see what this... Oh, I appreciated it. No, you're good. I've been streaming. A lot of people probably don't know how many... I have probably over 400 privated streams. Thank you. Yeah, she's very cute. She's very, she doesn't like affection. She does not like any sort of love. You try to hug her. Well, no. Strangers hug her. She loves it. Anyone in the family hugs her, she's just runs away from you. Don't know. She's crazy to some degree. But she is a very cute dog. Cute breed. Very cute breed. Oh, man. No, a lot of it is consistency. You know, streaming every day. If I wanted to do this full time, I would. It's more of a hobby. It's more to meet people who have the same interest. A lot of it is. It also keeps me on top of following rules. She is a... She has some pit bull in her, and she has one other breed. I think it's lab. I think it's a lab, if I'm correct. What's up, girl? Come here. Yeah, she is not good with other people when we're not around. We have to keep her in the house. We didn't know she was pit bull when we got her. We don't mind pit bulls, but we didn't train her for being a pit bull to the point where she needed training. She needs a lot of entertainment, which I'm not able to give her as much. Oh. Good girl. No problem. You have a good night. Thank you for dropping in again. Oh my god. I need one more trade and I'm calling it a day, I think. I just not even one more trade, just a few more minutes. Give it a few more minutes to see if anything comes about here. It just looks so weird. I mean, yes, we're moving upwards, so I realistically want to take a bullish trade, but I do have an idea that, oh yeah, price is going to come down like it just did. I want to see this grab. Dude, what is this? I want to see this grab this liquidity, come back up, grab this high, and then fail. Would like to see this. Like to see price do this. Hey, what's up, girl? Is the aloe vera helping you at all? Hitting my hand. All right. Nope. Out of the trash. We ain't doing that today. We're not doing that. What do I want to do? Let's see what, let me see something. Give me 1 second. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Ooh. Ooh, Bitcoin's in the downpour. That means my GPU, I can finally afford a GPU. Again. I'm just joking, but in all seriousness, this thing is tanking. Holy. What was the high it reached? Go to remove. Showing some strength, potentially showing some failure. I'm not really interested in trading Bitcoin or even getting started with that, to be honest. We do have more room to run, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get a retest down. Here we go. Okay, let's see what this does. Luna, are you okay, girl? Okay, let me go ahead and do it.
Order filled.
All right, well, here's my crazy trade idea. It's not that great of a risk to reward, but it's a pretty high. I have pretty high efficacy towards this hitting this take profit. So my stop loss will be moved once we grab this high. And I'll take some partials if we grab this high, sorry. Don't want to, every time I say when we grab this high, I usually lose. Please move up. Please just be a straight shot up. Like, don't give me any of this BS, please. Okay, we're gonna close. I'm at sell. I'm gonna close 5 up here. It hits. There's no way. There's no way right now, right? We're gonna hit this, right? We're not gonna retest back down, right? Right? Really? Huh.
Order
I don't
filled.
like that. I can get a better entry in a second. That's kind of depressing. Huh. Well, this is sad. Thought it would give me more. Okay, now let me add to it. I guess I'll add 10 from here so
Order
I get a better
filled.
risk to reward here. From that area. We'll target the same place. Shouldn't really be risking 270 either. Let me close 2 contracts. It fits my strategy. Now, the issue with fitting my strategy is I don't like when price shows this type of movement. It's too clean. Which means that there's not really an area for it unless it starts to show some strong, the power 3, strong candles to the top side here. Which is my worry with this. We've came to the last gap, so it needs to hold this gap to continue up from here. It just sucks that this thing decided, hey, let's not come up to this gap. Let's screw you over. Do I want to stay in this trade that doesn't look like it's going in my favor? No, I really don't.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't want to stay in this trade. I'd rather stay in profit for this session than lose and being negative at this current moment for this session, especially in Asian. And I do have a strong indication this is going to come up to here. I just got to be careful. Because I don't know when. Maybe it'll give me the setup here. Now I'm interested.
Order filled.
I get a 1 to 2 here. This is a trade. This fits my strategy almost perfectly. So this does work. I will close partials if it makes it up to there, which this is a riskier area because we are technically in a bearish move now. Yeah, I'm gonna go on a Luna, are you okay? Probably should. I'm probably gonna end it after this stream. The nice thing is the market's open 24/7, so whenever I'm available, I can join on it. I'll probably end up ending this though if this doesn't work out. If it works out too, I'm probably gonna end this. Let me go up here. I really hope this holds. Fuck. No, sorry, language. Please don't use that language. Oh, there we go. What a move. Oh, sorry guys. Didn't know you couldn't see this. My trade entries here, my stop loss is down here, my take profits up here. The gap. I'm about to exit partials, I think. I'd like to see some strength, please. I'd really like to see some strength. Let me look at the higher time frame. It does look good. Like, I'm not against this on the higher time frame, what it's doing. But can I see some strength? Close the gap. Did we close it yet? Is this gonna fake out and then come lower? It's gonna be one of those trades. Yeah. It's limit risk. See how this candle holds, if it does hold.
Order filled.
And I close partials. I'm only risking 160 now to get 510. I'll be happy if we do get 510. This will be my final trade of the night, as I'll probably be taken down to negatives from over trading. Lets me know about Asian session, right? Not to trade it.
Order filled.
Oh, that's a move. Yeah, don't trade Asian. I'm gonna call it a day. Didn't enjoy that. I'm gonna be honest. You guys have a great day. I'll talk with you later.